Rick with the best of everything. Let's take a look at the ZHPUAT 8.9-inch big screen digital alarm clock with dimmer and alarm sound control function white by ZHPUAT. ZHPUAT. I don't know how you pronounce that. Well, this is an interesting one. They've got a great big clock here, and it's USB powered. It comes with a rarity here. A USB 2A to USB 2A. Relatively rare item. This also has a venue for a 2 AAA backup, so that you do not have to go and reset the time. A battery hatch cover. And you can use either port. We'll use one as our in. Clock. You can see that has big numbers. You'll be able to see that, baby. Okay, let's see what we got here. High-low alarm sound test set lock. 9 minutes. 52, it figures. Okay, we'll hold it down and it will go fast. 2, 3, 4, 53. Close enough. Let's see. Back to 8. Oops, overdid it. Well, it's 8 p.m. anyway. Oh, I did overdid it that time. There we go. 8:53. And we have our battery backup and our USB that taps power for the clock, our AAA backup, so if we lose power it will maintain the time. And that is a nice large clock. Lighting is not annoying. There's dim, bright. Okay. Very nice clock from ZHPUAT. 8.9-inch big screen digital alarm clock with dimmer and alarm sound control function white. See a test for the alarm. Cool. I think I'll put this one by the TV so you can see what time it is. Well, get one. I did, and I'm just darn happy about that. I may put it where you can see it from the patio. Those large numbers, you can see those from a long way off. You can probably see that from the fence line. Great.